everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to set up Hey Google on your Android phone. So you can see Gemini popped open right there. I'm just going to close it. So go to the top right, go to settings, scroll on down, and if you have a Google Pixel, your Google account should be listed just right on the top. You can select there, but if you're on Samsung, go on over to the Google services, go to all services, scroll on down and go to where it says Search Assistant and Voice. Now, we probably have Gemini on here. This is like the default voice model that we're using. We can go to Google Assistant here. That's going to be, I don't know, this seemed the same thing to me. So we're probably going to be using Gemini. We can go down to Talk to Gemini hands-free. And just make sure this is turned on. Now, you have to set this up with your voice, otherwise it's not going to work. So you have to go to Manage Voice, and then just turn this on, and add your language. So I think it's going to have you download the Google Home app as well. So once you have your voice match, and you have to read off maybe 4 or 5 sentences, it'll match your voice. Now all you have to do is say, "Hey Google, how are you today?" And sometimes it works better than others. So let's try it again. "Hey Google, what's the weather like today?" So it's loading, and thank you.
In Washington, it'll be sunny, with a high of 39 and a low of 25.
So it's completely hands-free. You can do this with the Google Assistant too, or you can do it with Gemini. Manage settings for Google Assistant, manage settings for Gemini, your AI assistant. So both of them are very similar, it seems like, and they're both using Gemini. But you can just come in here and you can turn this off if you don't want Hey Google on anymore. Just go to Voice Match, or you can just disable that for Gemini. But you can also, you might have to come in here and go to Devices, and you might have to add a device too. And you have to set up a device under here, and this will add your phone to it. And what does that say? It says you can set this up with Google Home, so if you got like a Chromecast, smart light bulbs, or anything like that, you can just talk, and you can be like, "Hey, Google, turn off my light bulb," or something like that. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below.